Hi, this is Nick from Carpet Guys. I'm here in West Bloomfield with Kathryn, and our installers just finished installing this beautiful PH016 color interface in her great room and also on this beautiful spiral staircase. Beautiful job. And how'd you hear about the Carpet Guys?
Oh, I've known them for decades.
Okay.
Through the television advertising.
Okay, so you saw Joe on TV all the time.
All the time.
All right, fantastic. How's Courtney, your design consultant?
Oh, she was great. Very knowledgeable.
Okay.
Made it easy.
Made it easy on you? Okay, how was the installers today, Rafael and his partner?
They were great. They came yesterday and hauled away, and today installed the new carpet. They were great to work with.
All right, well, obviously you're satisfied with everything so far. And one quick question, would you recommend us to your friends and family?
Absolutely.
All right, well,
Very
thank
satisfied.
you very much, and welcome to the Carpet Guys family.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your new flooring.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.